What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently seeing 21,765. Nice pump, up about 5% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 410 billion. 24-hour volume all the way up at 30.53 billion, excuse me. Let's hop into the charts. Here we are on the 4-hour. We're actually going to pop over to the 1-hour time frame. So you can see here we met our wave 3 target absolutely perfectly, came right up to this resistance of 22.5K. So if I open up the chart here on the daily and you scroll back, you can see where I dropped this purple box. You can see there's resistance. Actually, I'm going to open up the chart. You can see we have a lot of support in this area, now flipped its resistance, and that's exactly where we got rejected. You can see that big wick. Now these can be reversal wicks, so just keep an eye on that. But the day's just getting started here. So we'll pop back over to the 1-hour time frame. So we beautifully met our target of our wave 3. And to measure that wave 3 target, you take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of your wave 1 up to the top, down to the bottom of your wave 2, and you're targeting the 1.618 for a wave 3. You can see we hit it absolutely perfectly. So if this wave 3 is now complete, we can measure our wave 4 correction from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top. Should pull back here to the 0.382 at a minimum. Actually, the 0.236 is the minimum, but usually for a wave 4, it's going to land in between the 0.382 and the 0.5. We've almost come down to the 0.382, so we could see continuation to the upside at any time here, but normally the normal target, the 0.382, 21.2K, the 0.5 is coming in at 20.8K. Beautiful breakout. We saw some beautiful volume here, as you can see. Now we don't have any bearish divergence. We have a little bit of a higher high, a little bit of a smaller high in the RSI. Just seeing a little bit of healthy pullback and putting in that wave 4. So once we put in the wave 4, we can measure our wave 5. Couple ways to do it here. You can take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a 100% extension for the wave 5, which is currently coming in here at about 22.7K. And the next way that you can measure it here is you can take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, down to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a 0.618, the golden ratio, coming in at 23.2K. Complete that larger wave 3. Now I believe the target for the wave 3 is a little bit higher here. Take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top to the bottom of wave 2, and you're targeting the 1.618. So technically we've actually already reached the target. So that wave 5, wherever it completes above wave 3, will be the completion of that larger wave 3. Within the larger wave 3, which is here in green, which is up at about 25.5K. So we see that 5-wave move, complete that wave 3, put in that wave 4, put in that final wave 5 of the wave 3. And we've also been watching this massive patterns here on the daily time frame. We have this beautiful double bottom ascending triangle, and we came right up and we met the neckline. We broke out of the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. I've been mentioning in my videos, I said, look guys, as long as we're above 19.8K, I remain bullish. There's a higher likelihood of a breakout to the upside as long as we stay above 19.8K. And that's what we've done. We stayed above 19.8K and we came all the way up to test this resistance of 21.7. If we break it and we hold it as support, that's when you're going to see that beautiful pump up to 25.8, 26K. But there is another scenario where we get rejected here. We come down, we find support, and we see continuation of this ascending triangle. But it doesn't really match up with our wave count here. We would come way too deep and we would validate this structure. Of course, anything is possible, but it would make more sense to me that we just see a small pullback. We push up, we break through, and we see continuation to the upside, and we break out of this beautiful double bottom pattern. The bearish scenario is we come down, we lose this trend line of support, and we come all the way down to about 17.8K. But as of right now, it looks like the bulls are making an effort for a breakout here. So we'll see if the bulls are strong enough to break this double bottom resistance, and we see a big breakout to 25.8K. I think that's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord making some juicy profits, just locked in 25%. of my ETH trade for a 14% profit, and we're currently in profits on our Matic long trade. I give signals for my leverage trades as well as my spot trades at the $10 membership. You really can't beat it. Also, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses. All links are in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.